Due to low signal at sea, the Roblox Mega Guy cannot air the intro and the previously sequence. No. That's not fair. Mr. Information Robot 1, created by Thunderbirds 101, has a message. I think I might as well open this message to see what it says. The mini raffle choppers are taking me to the cruise to destroy the entire ship. Oh shit. I better run. I better tell everyone.
No! If you press that button, all 3,200 people on board will die. I don't give a shit if all of those midget robots sink the cruise ship anyway. We know how exactly we are going to evacuate the lifeboat. But go ahead, kill those friggin' midgets with your Raffle 47. I don't give a damn. I don't. See why I need to care about those midgets anyway. Oh shit. An error. The midget robots are here. Run for your fucking life.
The Rafflebots successfully destroyed the cruise ship. Because you didn't do nothing, you will downgrade to 95. Learn some English, Mr. Double Negative. I'm gonna have to downgrade then. Windows came up with a great idea to downgrade you to Windows Virus Edition. No. I don't like Vista. Vista has evil parental controls and is evil virus. More hamada. Face the wrath of the new Linux virus. What do you wish to do? Who is getting these errors onto my computer? No. I insist. If you do this, I will grab my army of rafflecopters, OMG cannons and LOL steamrollers. You are such a hypocrite. If you are a Linux text-to-speech voice, then why are you making me downgrade to Vista in the first place? I hate you. Go to hell, Linux Billy. YouTube audio preview is better than your crappy uselessness. I will get my revenge in you the next episode.